Hello there, my name is Andy from mamoworld.com, and today we're going to look at beat matching. So we've got two beats loaded in here and they do not match. Sounds awful. So let's do something about that. So we're going to start by taking the first track, drop it in, and just load it into BeatEdit by clicking Load Music. Then you want to add your markers, Create Markers button, and that's done. Let's do the second track. So Load Music, Add Markers, and we're done on that. Let's hop over to a multi-track session, click OK there, drop in our first loop, drop in our second, and let's make that a little bit bigger. Now we've got 8 beats in this track here, so we want to go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th beat here. So I'm going to hold down Shift while dragging, and that's going to snap to this marker here. Then we want to find this little triangle in the top right there. Just stretch it along and drop it into that marker, and you'll see, as easy as that, we've got matching beats. Now if you want something extra, you can click right click and select loop, drag this out again, oops, and you'll find that this now seamlessly loops with dramatic music. And that's it. That's how easy it is to beat match with BeatEdit.